Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into a step-by-step guide on organizing your movie watch list in Notion. First up, let's create a new page in Notion. Click on the plus new page button on your left-hand side menu. We're doing this because a dedicated page will allow you to access your movie watch list easily and keep it separate from other contents in your workspace. Next, give your page a title, something like My Movie Watch List. Now, we're going to add a table by clicking the plus add a block button and then table. The reason we do this is a table enables you to categorize your movies in various ways, such as by genre, release year, or your personal ratings. Now that we've done that, let's customize our table. Click on the Properties button on the top right corner of the table. Here, you can add or remove columns according to your preference. For example, you might want to add a genre column, a release year column, and a rating column. This helps us because it allows you to sort or filter movies based on these categories, making your watch list more organized and easy to navigate. The next key step is populating your table. To add a movie to your table, click the plus Add a New Item button. Fill in the title, genre, release year, and your rating for the movie. Repeat this process for each movie you want to include in your watch list. Let me explain why this matters. By entering all this information, you'll have a comprehensive overview of the movies in your watch list, which will make choosing your next movie to watch a breeze. Now, let's add some additional functionality to our watch list. Click on the Sort button on the top right corner of the table. Here, you can set up rules to automatically sort your movies. For example, you might want to sort movies by release year or by your personal ratings. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Notion is using these rules to automatically organize your movies, saving you the time and effort of doing it manually. Next up, let's make your watch list visually appealing. You can do this by adding cover images to your movies. To do this, click on the movie, then click on Add Cover at the top of the page. This not only makes your watch list more enjoyable to look at, but also gives you a quick visual reference for each movie. Well, there you have it, a step-by-step guide to organizing your movie watch list in Notion. Just remember, the key to a well-organized watch list is to keep it updated and categorized to your liking. Thanks for watching, and happy movie watching.